So today we're going to learn to talk about the weather, a lesson in small talk, because you always want to talk about the weather. Make small talk about the weather. So the learning objectives are that you can name the days of the week, the months of the year, and the seasons in Spanish, and then describe the weather using the expressions with hacer or estar. First, we're going to talk about the calendar, el calendario. The days of the week are lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. And none of them are capitalized in Spanish the way that they are in English. Also, the week in Spanish starts on Monday and ends on Sunday. And the calendars will usually reflect that, whereas most of us think of the week starting on Sunday and going through Saturday, and that's the way that our calendars look. Los meses, or the months, are not capitalized either, the way that they are in English, and most of them are cognate words. The only one that's not really a cognate word is January, enero. Then we have febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, and diciembre. Las estaciones are the seasons. El invierno is winter. La primavera is spring. El verano is summer. And el otoño is fall or autumn. ¿Cuál es tu estación favorito? Mi estación favorito es el verano, porque me gusta el sol. El tiempo. There's two ways to ask about the weather. You can say, ¿Cómo hace el tiempo? Or, ¿Qué tiempo hace? And both of those mean, what's the weather like? If you answer hace sol, it means it's sunny. Hace sol. Hace calor, it's hot. Hace frío, it's cold. Hace viento, it's windy. Now notice all of these expressions to talk about the weather use the verb hacer, which, if you recall, means to make or to do. And it's conjugated hace for the third person, so él, ella, or usted. So hace sol, hace calor, hace frío, hace viento. And I'm not sure if this will help you, but it helps me to think of Mother Nature making the weather. So ella hace sol, she makes sun, it's sunny. Ella hace calor, she makes it hot, it's hot. On the right-hand side, we have some other expressions to talk about the weather. Llueve. Llueve means it's raining. Nieva means it's snowing. And hace fresco means it's cool. And I couldn't find a picture that showed that it was cool, so I picked this cool dude. So don't get confused. It doesn't mean there's a man outside. It means it's cool outside. Here are some other weather expressions. Hace buen tiempo or hace mal tiempo means it's nice weather or it's bad weather. Está nublado means it's cloudy. And está despejado means it's clear. So, está nublado and está despejado are two expressions for the weather that use estar, and most of the other ones use hace. Time to check yourself. Can you name the days of the week, the months of the year, and the seasons in Spanish? Can you make small talk about the weather in Spanish? Go on then.